Representative Zaldico must go home and he must be made answerable to all the allegations. And the former speaker, Representative Martin Romualdez, must be thoroughly investigated. I cannot blame the Filipino people if they view this na parang puro kayo hearing, puro kayo pagdinig, pero walang nakukulong. Pahaba ng pahaba ang istorya. Parami ng parami yung mga cast of characters na nasasangkot dito sa maanomalya at ghost flood control projects. Nangyari lahat yan dahil sa insertion. Nangyari yan dahil sa Bicameral Conference Committee meeting. Daming mga proyekto na bigla na lang sumulpot during the Bicameral Conference Committee meeting. Yan yung mga ipinasok na iba't ibang mga proyekto. Actually, doon pa nga lang sa small committee na tinatawag tama yun. Doon nagaganap yung pagluto sa pambansang budget natin. All of the anomalies and all of the ghost flood control projects that we are talking about, may they be overpriced o kung ano man ang tawag dyan, nangyari yan, yung mga insertion na yan because of the small committee and the Bicameral Conference Committee. And that is why for us to move forward, dapat ipatawag natin si Representative Zaldico, who is the chairperson of the Appropriations Committee during the time na naganap itong mga pagpasok ng mga anomalous and ghost flood control project na ito, na talagang kagimbal-gimbal yung natutuklasan natin. Nasa Estados Unidos, nasa US daw. Bakit hindi pakilusin ang buong instrumento, mga ahensya ng gobyerno para puntahan siya, hanapin siya doon sa Estados Unidos at pabalikin dito sa Pilipinas so he can answer all the allegations. We welcome the investigation that must be done sa former speaker na si Representative Martin Romualdez. Hindi sapat na magpapalit lang tayo ng liderato sa House of Representatives. They too must be subject of investigation, thorough and impartial investigation. If proven guilty, what we are proposing is freeze their assets. The government must sequester all the properties nitong mga contractor, nitong mga DPWH officials, including politicians, itong mga senador o mga congressman. And it's a challenge for the new speaker. Binanggit niya sa kanyang speech na he is for transparency, he is for accountability, walang sasantuhin, walang kaibigan, walang kabaro, walang kaalyado. And we will hold you accountable to what you have said in front of the Filipino people.
Tara na, kamanggagawa.